Want to make your first $100 online using AI? You don't need special skills. You just need the right tools, the right prompt, and a bit of focus. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Welcome to Next Mindset, where we turn smart tools into smarter income. Today, you'll learn how to go from $0 to $100 online by using free AI tools. Let's make it happen. Step 1, pick a product type. Let's start with what you're actually going to sell. Here are 3 simple, beginner-friendly, AI-powered digital products you can create. A short ebook or guide using ChatGPT. A Notion or Canva productivity template. An audio file or voiceover using 11 Labs. Pick the one that feels easiest to you. For this video, we'll go with option 1, an ebook. Step 2, generate the content. Head over to ChatGPT and use this prompt. Create a 5-step beginner guide to improve focus and productivity using free tools. ChatGPT will instantly give you a structured, helpful guide. Refine the tone if needed, personalize it a bit, and aim for 5 to 8 pages total. That's all you need to get started. Step 3, design your product. Now let's turn it into something that looks great. Open Canva, select an ebook template, and copy-paste your content. Design a clean layout, add a nice cover page, maybe include icons or illustrations. Keep it simple but professional. Then export the finished file as a PDF. Congrats! You now have a digital product ready to sell. Step 4, upload and sell. Next, go to Gumroad.com. Create a free account, upload your PDF, and write a clear, value-based product description. Set the price to $5 or use pay what you want. Add your cover image and click publish. Just like that, your product is live. Step 5, promote it. Now, let's drive some traffic. Use TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Record a simple 15-second video. Something like, "This free AI guide helped me stop procrastinating." It might help you too. Link in bio. Keep it real. Use trending sounds. Add smart hashtags like AI hustle, digital product, productivity. Post and repeat. Optional bonus, automate and repeat. Use Notion or Google Sheets to track views, posts, and sales. Add your Gumroad link to Linktree for easier access. Then take it further. Turn your ebook into a mini course. Bundle it with templates. Add value, rinse, and repeat. That's how you make your first $100 with AI. Fast, free, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, leave a like and hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments, which AI tool will you try first? Stay smart, stay free. See you in the next one.